the name of Allah, who is the gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Forex and Fist. Today we are going to discuss about single candlestick, and first candlestick in the single candlestick pattern is Doji candlestick, which we have already discussed. That there's four kinds: common doji, dragonfly, gravestone, and long length doji. Today we are going to discuss all of these dojis in detail, and we are going to analyze how these are going to impact our trading and how accurate result we are going to get by these candlesticks, what is their shape, their definition, and everything regarding the single candlestick pattern of doji candlesticks. So first of all, these are the shapes. First one is the common doji, or it is also called neutral doji, and then it's gravestone doji. You can see it has the body on upper side and a legged doji on the lower side. And this, after the second doji, there is third one, gravestone doji and long leg doji. These two are we are going to discuss in further video. First we are going to discuss about first two, common doji and dragonfly doji. So common doji or neutral doji is where buyer and seller are equal in par. You can see in the picture that it is just like a plus sign that have the same body level and the wick level, like body and wick are equally divided. It can be minorly different, but mostly it is the exact same plus sign. So we can say that 50% of buy to sell and sell to buy. It can just change the market up to 50% chances. So our advice is to not trade on the indications of common doji or neutral doji, because it can impact market up to 50% chances. So we prefer up to 90 or 100% chances of candlestick patterns. So when the buyer are in the equal par as the sellers, it creates the push in the market, which is saturated in the middle, and also it is spread to the wicks on the both side in the equal power. So that is where the common doji dwells in the chart. We will see further in a real chart how it's look like and how in the real market a common doji will look. So next topic is dragonfly doji. So where buyers are in power, there the dragonfly doji will become. So we need to see the dragonfly doji in h4, and here you can see it has upper body and a long lower wick or shadow. So we can say the buyers are in power and they have pushed the market up towards the upper side. So in the dragonfly doji, the time frame we suggest is h4, because where doji became in h4, it will impact the market, but if it is in lower time frame, it will not impact any market. So there is 90% that markets will go up if it is at proper spot level or its color is green. Color always matter in forex trading, so please make sure you have checked the color and its accuracy according to the our given chart. So our advice is trade with full confidence when dragonfly doji is on h4 time frame. I'm repeating again and again, h4 time frame, and then you can trade with confidence with that the market will go in the buy trend with 90% chances. So if the color is not the right, but it is at the right place, so what we will do, we will go to h1 and wait for a strong buy candle. Chances is 60 to 65% if we got a strong buy candle in h1 after the dragonfly doji in h4 with the wrong color. That means it will be in red color. So if you see a red color dragonfly doji in h4 chart at the spot level and at a proper spot level, then you need to go h1. So you need to go in h1 and wait for one more candle in h1. So if it is strong buy trending candle, so it is confirmed that the market will go in the buy trend upward. So we will trade accordingly. Okay, let's wrap this topic. About the dragonfly doji, we have discussed it is when buyers are in power, that means sellers are lower and sellers are weak here. So you need to buy any chart you are looking and you have found a perfect dragonfly doji at the proper support level with the specific color that is green. So if you have seen that, you can trade with full confidence, buy the trade and get the profit with that. And if there isn't that proper color or proper spot level, so you don't need to trade on that place, or if it is at right spot with wrong color, you need to wait for H1 candle. So that was the whole story. And now if we recall about the common or neutral doji, that was the candle where buyer and sellers are in equal power. That means they have 50% chances that market trend will going to change. That means buy to sell and sell to buy. So there is no full confidence on just the candlestick pattern with neutral doji. Okay, so here we are on the trading charts, and let me show you in live market how the dragonfly doji and how the common doji becomes and what are their shapes. Right now I'm using 1M chart, that means for 1 minute, but because just to show you, but whenever you are going to find dojis, you need to open an H4 chart, and that is the candle where you need to put the trades. So here let me show you, that is a dragonfly here. Just for a reminder, dragonfly is always at the support level. So here no support level or resistance level are generated right now or shown in this chart, because we are going to discuss in further videos. So I'm just showing you the shape of the candlesticks. Okay, so here we can see that this is also a dragonfly with the upper body and a long wick, lower wick. And here let me just find some normal or neutral dojis for you, that this is also a plus sign and I'm showing with the arrow. Okay, and this is a green common or neutral doji. You can find so many dojis in this 1 minute chart. That means these are fake candles, these are not going to change the market impact, but in H4 they are going to change the market trends. So that's why we are preferring H4 charts. And this is also one more neutral doji, and this is you can say it is also a dragonfly. I'm marking it with arrows. I'm showing all of these candles just to make sure that there are different shapes for them. There can be a little body, there can be a much bigger body, but the common shapes are just this. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, you can always ask us in the comment section or through the WhatsApp. Thanks for watching Forex and Fist. Stay safe, stay healthy.